Hello everyone. Today we will be starting with the aggregate functions. So as you can see that this is the MySQL command line prompt, and let us write here two databases. So we have all these databases already been created. So we will use session. Database has been opened. Show tables. It has all these tables already been there. So let us first of all see that what are the aggregate functions. So you can see here, aggregate functions, there are 5 aggregate functions used in MySQL. That is min. Min is for calculating the minimum out of a particular range. Max is to calculate maximum from a particular range. Count is to count the number of records according to the criteria given. Sum is to calculate the total of a particular values, and average is to AVG is to calculate the average. So here are the aggregate functions as I have already explained. Min function returns the smallest value of the selected column. Max function returns the largest value of the selected column. Count function returns the number of rows that matches a specified criteria. The sum function returns the total sum of a numeric column. The average function returns the average value of a numeric column. So here we have a query, write a query to display the maximum price of the product. So let us see. Here product is there. So first of all, let us display all the records of product. So here are all the records. Now we want to write a query to display the maximum price of the product. So maximum price of the product. So select, which means display, and we are doing maximum first. So we will put the function max, and inside the small brackets, we will write price from product. So you can see that the maximum value out of the specified column, that is this column. So 120 is the maximum. So this has been calculated. Write a query to display the minimum price of the product. Select min price from product. So this is the minimum price out of a particular values. Write a query to display the total number of products manufactured by ABC. Okay. So we have to count the number of records. So count star, which means all the records from product where manufacturer is equal to ABC. So we have in total, we can see here that we have 2 products which are being manufactured by ABC. So that is why the count has displayed 2. Write a query to display the total of the prices of all the products. Select sum. We will write the column of which, the numeric column from which we have to calculate the total from product. So here is the total. Now suppose that we want to calculate the average. Select average price from product. This is the average of the numeric column, that is 71. So this is the query which we have done. This is all about the aggregate functions. Now there is a group by clause. The group by statement groups the rows that have the same values into summary rows, like find the number of customers in each country. So in whichever query you will find the word each or you find the word wise, there we use the group by clause. Group by is like, suppose that I want to group the records according to the manufacturer. That means that I want to group this ABC products which are manufactured by ABC, group of the products manufactured by XYZ and by LAK separately. So there I will use the group by clause. We will see in the further queries how we will use the group by clause. The group by statement is often used with the aggregate functions to group the result set by one or more columns. So this is the order in which we use the group by. First of all, the select will come, then from, then where. And in case group by and order by both are required in one query, that then first it will be grouped and then it will be ordered. So this will be, the order will not change. So first of all, you will write group by and then it will be order by. Write a query to display the total price of products of each manufacturer. So we will see here. So what we require is that I want the sum of ABC separately, XYZ separately, and LAK separately. So let us see how we will do. Select, let us write the manufacturer name, and in front of that I want the sum from product group by manufacturer. The spelling of manufacturer is being wrong over here. Let us correct it. Manufacturer price from product group by manufacturer. So here we can see that it has been grouped. Total of ABC, we can see here total of ABC 45 plus 55, that is 100. XYZ 120 plus 95, so it is 215, and LAK was an individual, that is 40. So this is how it has been grouped according to the manufacturer. Write a query to display the total number of products manufacturer wise. So select, count. Okay, first of all, let us take the manufacturer. Count from product group by, again, manufacturer. So we can see here ABC has 2 products, LAK has 1 product, and XYZ has 2 products. This is how we will use the group by clause. Now there is a clause that is having. Having clause is just as similar to where, however, there is a difference. If you want to put a condition after making a group, then it will be having clause, where clause will not be applicable there. Having clause will be used after group, by. And if in case you want to put a query not on the group but on the individual records, in that case where clause will be used. So here you can see the sequence. Select from where is before group by and having is after group by. That means that the where condition will be put on the columns which are being specified in front of select, and having condition, this condition will be put on the columns which have been grouped. So, and order by will be at the last. Clear? Now let us see in some of the queries. Write a query to display the details of only those manufacturers whose total price is greater than 300. Okay, let us see. Yeah, the greatest price ours is 215. So nothing will be displayed over there. So let us display greater than 200. So we will put a query over here. Select manufacturer, sum price from product group by manufacturer having sum price greater than 200. So you can see here that after having, we have put the condition on the aggregate function, which is not possible in front of where. So if it will be done after grouping, then it will be used in front of the having clause. Wildcard characters. We have the wildcard characters. That is that if suppose that we have a criteria in which we know only a part of a string, not the full string. In that case, we use the wildcard characters in which only we know only a part. So a specified pattern will be used. For example, suppose that I want the details of those products which are being manufactured by a manufacturer whose name is starting with A. I do not know the whole name. I only know that it is starting with A. So when I do not know the whole, in that case, we use the wildcard characters. There are two wildcard characters which you will be studying. First is this percentage sign, which represents 0 or more characters, and underscore, which represents a single character. So this mod sign, this percentage sign means any number of characters. And this underscore means it represents a single character. Let us see few queries and it will be more clear to you. Write a query to display the details of only those clients whose name starts with L. So first of all, let us display all the records from client table. So these are the records from the client table, and write a query to display the details of only those clients whose name starts with L. Okay. So select star from client where C name like. So when you know only a part and when you are using the wildcard characters, equal to will not be used. Like operator will be used. Like starter single quote, and it starts with L. Starts with L. After that, we do not know how many characters. So any number of characters can come. So here it is live life. Next query. Write a query to display the details of only those clients whose name have character E in it. That means that the client name should have E. Any character can be before E, any number of characters, and any number of characters after E. So select star from client where CNAME like any number of characters, E any number of characters. So every client has E in between, so all the records have been displayed. Write a query to display details of only those whose name ends with N. Okay. Select star from client where CNAME like any number of characters and then it is ending with N. So only pretty woman, it is ending with N and any number of characters before N. So percentage sign means any number of characters. Write a query to display the details of only those clients whose name with T as the second last character. So any number of characters before T, but only one character after T. Select star from client where CNAME like any number of characters before T, but only one character after T, which will be placed with the underscore because underscore will replace only one character. So you can see here total health. Write a query to display the details of only those products with second character as A. That means that only one character before A and any number of characters after A. Select star from client where CNAME like any only one character before A and any number of characters after A. There is no such client name. So nothing has come over here. With the second character as A, there is no such client name in which the second character is A. So we have dreams in which the fourth character is A. So let us just see that. Select star from client where CNAME like 1, 2, 3, fourth character is A. After that, any number of characters. So here, okay, so here two have come, total health and dreams. So in this, fourth character is A. So in front of A, before A, only three characters could have come. That is why I have placed 3 underscores. So I hope that the aggregate functions, group by clause, having clause, and wildcard characters are clear through this video. After that, you can solve more questions based on all these clauses and on the wildcard characters. Thank you.